Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you how to make my really quick and easy fettuccine with garlic and prawns. Alright, really quick and easy. Alright, first thing I've got some green tiger prawns here, or just some green prawns, and we're going to shell those just like I am doing right there. It takes you longer to do this. I'm going to cut down the back and devein them, get rid of that little intestinal tract, and put those into a bowl, just like I've done right there. I've already got my cling film ready to go because I am cling film challenged. A little bit of salt over the top, just like that. Just a nice little bit of sea salt flake. Put that on, and 4 cloves of garlic. I'm going to put that on. That's freshly minced, not my usual garlic paste. Alright, put that on, and a little sprinkle of some smoked paprika, just a tiny bit, and that can go in, and a little glug of olive oil. You can use as much or little as you want. I used around about 2, maybe 3 tablespoons worth. Give that all a really good stir through, just like that. Really nice and simple. And all I have to do now is cover that up. I'm going to put that in the refrigerator for about an hour to 2 hours. Alright, let's get cooking. Right, fry pan, a little bit of olive oil, some cherry tomatoes are going into our pan, and I've cut those in half. Not rocket science, real easy to do. And let's get a bit of heat happening on those, let them blister up and let them cook off a little bit, and that juice is going to come out and help make the most beautiful light sauce. Alright, so here I've got my prawns. I'm going to just put those straight in, and this dish from when you turn the pan on to when you serve is going to take 8 minutes. Alright, really nice and easy. Right, we're going to cook these prawns off, and as you start to see them go a little bit pink, we'll be able to flip them over and give them a bit of a toss through. Alright, so Mrs. KP is already cooking up some fresh fettuccine, just the packet stuff that you buy in the refrigerated section of your supermarket. Okay, so just do that, and those cook off, and the smell in the kitchen is amazing at the moment. You can start to see the prawns change colour. I'm going to add in a handful of fresh basil leaves just right now, just like that. The flavour that the fresh basil gives off is just to die for. Alright, a little bit of dried dill, around about 1/4 teaspoon's worth, maybe 1/2 teaspoon. If you like dill a little bit more, add more. If you don't like it, don't add it. I'm giving you the basics. Okay, give all of that a bit of a stir, and look at these prawns, they're almost completely cooked. Alright, so Mrs. KP is almost done with that pasta. We've got a little bit of that pasta water, and we're going to put that in and deglaze the pan if there's any schmutz sticking to it. Okay, and we're just going to give that a stir, and look at that beautiful, nice light sauce, and that pasta water will thicken up. Add your fettuccine straight down on top. If you want to use a linguine or pappardelle, you can. It doesn't matter. As I said, I'm giving you the basics. Give that all a toss through. Get the pasta all coated in those beautiful juices, and all we need to do now is serve that up. How easy is this dish to make? I'm going to put a little bit of Parmesan cheese, freshly grated of course, straight over the top. And there you go. You got KP's fettuccine with prawns and garlic, and I'd love to see you try and make this one at home. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. And if you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, and it helps the channel grow. It gives the algorithm a little bit more reason for people to watch the video. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. And please leave a comment. I love reading and I love responding to them. And please share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known to KP's Kingdom out there. If you want to learn how to make a really easy, quick, and in this case it was budget, these prawns were half price meal, well, you need to come and join the family, my family. Hit that subscribe button and you'll never miss another one of my videos again. I'll eat my fettuccine with prawns and garlic, and I will catch you next time. Bye.